did you learn?
Well, I did learn like from the binary options group I was in a few years ago. I did learn something from them about. So I was in that group. I bought a course there, and they taught me about support and resistance lines when the market's oversold and market's overbought. Like what usually happens, right? Everything goes up if it's too oversold, or everything goes down if it's too overbought. So I started with the binary options group first, and they taught me how the basics of everything. And then, well, where I mostly learned most of my knowledge was YouTube, man. YouTube is just a gold mine of information for free too. Like you don't have to join any group or anything. Like everything is out there. You can learn from it. So I've just been really watching as many videos as I possibly can about trading and the psychology you need to have for trading, and just, man, a whole bunch of strategies as well that that actually work, that are profitable. So yeah, YouTube was the my thing. That's where I go to for everything. Because I mean, in this day and age, if you don't know how to do something, or if you want to do something, like there's not really an excuse for you not to do it, because everything is out there. There's so much information and knowledge for you to do something. So there's no excuses. So yeah, man, YouTube was where I learned most of my trading, and the psychology you gotta have for trading.
Love that. I love that. I agree, man. I agree. 80%. There's a 20% you gotta pay, to my opinion, to get the real big information. But I consume YouTube like crazy. I love it, and I learn so much. So I agree a lot. So yeah. Cool, man. What's your trading style? Are you more like a swing trader, day trader, scalper?
I am more of I'm between like a day trader and scalper. So I look for short trades. I use mostly the 4-hour and the 1-hour chart. So I look for short-term trends, and I try to look for a small pullback so I can get on it and use I use a short stop loss and a higher take profit. So like from 1 to 3 ratio on the take profit to stop loss. And yeah, that seems to work for me.
Got you. Yeah, sometimes it's not overcomplicating it, man. It's just keeping it simple for a lot of traders. Yeah. And like almost all the trader that I see on here being interviewed or being profitable, even online in general, they're like naked trader, like basically just pure price action. And some of them, they also like add a few stuff here and there, but it's rarely some super complicated pattern or whatever.
Yeah, the more complicated it is, the harder you're making it for yourself. Like you really got to simplify trading as much as possible. And obviously, and one thing I learned that's really important is that don't be greedy, man. Like I know we're all trying to make a lot of money real quick, but you don't have to, especially in a fund. If you're trying to get a funded account, or all you have to make is like 5 to 10% a month, really, and you can make that in a day. So you have that's the mindset I have now. Like I have all the time in the world. I don't have to make everything today. I have time. So that's a mindset change that you have to make in order to make it in trading.
Yep. Word. That's great. That's very great info. Cool, man. So yeah, I see the best trading pair you're trading is gold US30 and SPX 500, right?
Yes, that's right.
Awesome. And do you trade on any particular session? You told me you're from, I didn't ask, I don't know if you said it at the start of the interview or we were not recording, but you're from New Jersey, right?
Yes, that's right. Yeah, I'm from New Jersey.
Cool. So yeah, same time as me.
Same time?
Yeah, meaning I'm on the same time zone. Same time zone.
Canada.
Yeah, I'm in Montreal, Canada, same as New Jersey and New York, and same time zone.
Really? I did not know that.
Yeah.
That's cool, man.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So I'm guessing you're trading New York, or are you waking up for the London like a crazy trader?
I mean, I used to do that, but I realize I lose a lot of sleep during that. Like when I wake up in the middle of the night and try to wake up and look for trades, it didn't work for me because I feel like you need your sleep in order to think straight. So I
Yeah.
stopped doing that, and now I just trade, the New York session instead, and I stick to that.